Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading coming right after this general guidance, so that may clear your doubts or answer the questions you have in your situation, guys. Cancers. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards now. We have clouds, garden, and scythe. So in your situation, guys, Cancers, you are having some kind of doubts. Something is really confusing you. Maybe you are making some important choices. It may be in your work, deciding on certain things for yourself, and you are confused. You don't know what will work, which way to go, or what to do, and you have some kind of fear or anxiety about the future. So confused to choose in the right way today. You don't want to make any mistake. So that may be the reason for some confusion and doubts. And maybe for some of you, you may have some doubts on this person you love. Maybe the way they are behaving or the words they are speaking would have been the reason for some doubts in your mind about them. You feel that you cannot rely on this person, trust them, maybe, and they are not trustworthy. And maybe for some of you, this may be a new connection, a new love. That may be the reason for this energy, guys. And I also see, guys, whatever you feel or whatever confusion, doubts, or fears, all that is going to change, guys. And you are going to see things more clearly today, Cancers. Things are going to fall into place, and the way you see your situation is going to change, and you are getting clarity in your situation. So maybe in your work, whatever you need to decide, maybe on your the important decisions regarding some projects or something, that is going to change. And whatever was threatening you or worrying you, giving you that anxiety hanging over your head, so all that threatening situation or worrying situation is going to come to an end very soon, guys. And you are going to see clarity. Maybe for some of you, it would have been some kind of a sickness. It may be yours or this person you love or someone in your family, but all that is going to resolve, and you are moving towards recovery, and all that grief and confusion is going to change, guys. And even if you had doubts on this person, it is going to change. So no need to doubt them. They are in love with you, and you are celebrating this love. Maybe with friends or family, you are going out together, or maybe they are planning to take you out. You are spending time together. So some kind of a change, and you are maybe for some of you, you have a clear communication with this person, and you are speaking openly. That may be the reason for the end of troubles in your situation, guys. Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers, for your general energies. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So, this is your first card, and this is your second card. So, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So, I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. So I'll keep the second card aside. For those who chose this first card, it is Seraphos Green Quartz. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that in your circumstances today, you are in a situation, you have done everything possible, but truth or the reality is something different which you cannot accept, which you find it really difficult to accept. And you have been rigid all along, you have been rigid till now. But now you have come to a state of acceptance, accepting things, ready to accept things as it is. So, this is the time you will experience clarity in your situation, guys, clarity in your relationship. And this is the time for you to see the truth, being really honest about the things that we can change and what we cannot change. And it is a big step today in your connection, so you will have a better understanding that whatever situation you are in, you are totally helpless. You are at the mercy of the universe or your circumstances or destiny, whatever you call it. So you are unable to change. But when you accept that situation, accept this pain or tears as it is going to give you that clarity, guys, in your heart, and you're going to feel a harmony and balance. So whatever is rightfully yours will never miss you, guys. You can trust on that. So if this love is rightfully yours, it is meant to be. This person will realize your love, will realize your worth. But if it is not, there is a better person, a better love on its way right now towards you, and it is much more better than you have imagined. So there is no use of this tears or pain today, guys. So this acceptance of this difficult situation is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. So that is the energy for this card, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. So for those who chose this second card, guys, it is the Little Match Girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our circumstances today, maybe it may be in our relationship, in our life in general, we are, what to say, in a particular circumstance, we see so much pain, suffering and tears in our circumstances. We are trying to run away from it, trying to avoid this sadness. But this card calls for action. So some kind of help, whatever it is, when we help those people who are less fortunate, less blessed than us, they are also human beings just like us, guys, and they are in some kind of a difficult situation, and it is our duty, or it is our the right way of doing things. So, whatever we can do, maybe it may be a really harsh circumstance, but we can be that person of love, comfort, and warmth to that other person. So, it is going to give them hope and happiness, and it is going to change the way things are for them. So, we are going to help this person feel courage, strength, and love if we step up today, step up with a kind heart, with a compassionate gesture in their life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your situation someone needs help, and this card calls for that, guys, for that helping nature of yours. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.